Hi. In a previous episode, we talked about inserting a table and applying these styles. Let's see, first we go here, styles, table styles, and we double click on our style we want to apply. But today we want to have our own style, not the default style created here. So let's create a style for our table. We have a simple table, we insert some data in it. Okay, let's insert some more, and the last row, let's insert some numbers in order to be something like the total or something like this, to be a different design for the last row. I want to be centered, this I want to be on the right align. I want a background for this header. Now I want to be this color, and I want a different font in order to be visible on that color. Let's increase and bold, and this I want to be 13 font size. Okay, now let's insert one more row. What I want to have a background. No, I want to change the background for the third, each third row. Let's see if it works. Okay, and the last one, let's where I suppose I have the totals, I want to be different. So let's choose something with blue. Let's choose this one. Okay, so this is our style. We want all the table in our document to look similar to this in order to have consistency. So we go to table, auto format, and here we click add, and we give it a name, my style. Okay, you can see I have this style. Let's see if I'm inserting a new table, if I apply this style, everything works well. I have the header, I have the last row, but I don't have the gray options here. So it seems it doesn't work when I have the third row. What I could do is to have each second row. Let's test if I have everything okay. So the last one is 14, it's okay, it's like here. Inside the table, it's 13, and everything looks okay. I can rename my style. I go here and I can rename it. I can delete it and I can rename it. Let's rename. I want to rename this style 01. Okay, so now I have style 01 here. Let's try that option with the gray on each second row. So first row I want to be gray, the second white, and so on. So let's change, and this one was gray. I want to be no background, none. Okay, now let's select again. Let's repeat all the steps, auto format styles. Let's create a new style named style 02. Okay, and now let's double click on it. I have gray each second row. Okay, so it's working, but only for this option. So that was all. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.